Hello, friends. God bless you and welcome. We're back in the spring Easter season, and this is our tier trade collaboration. And my co host today is Miss Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel and Miss Marlene from the Marlene's How To channel. And their links will be in my description box. Thank you so much for joining us on today. Friends, this is my galvanized tier tray, and I'll be honest with you, I do not like using it, but I try to use it, but it's not easy. I'm going to share with you a little bit later on what I did, but I am going to add some of my greenery in this to give it an upgraded look. And being that this is a spring Easter tier tray, I wanted to give it some beautiful spring colors representing Easter. To me, it's already looking better with that green grass inside of it. I DIY'd this bird nest using shredded paper, spray paint, which is brown, and glue and water together, mixing the glue. Guys, and just shape your bird nest, and that's all it takes. Friends, with this tier tree, I really had to find my way with it, but I finally believe I got it. But I just want to share with you everything that I did. I did some DIYs on this, and I just didn't record it because it was just hard to record the DIYs the way I wanted it to. But as you're looking at this, guys, it just takes a lot of time to deal with these type of tier trays, because for one thing, these galvanized tier trays, they're got that deep, pocket. So everything that you put in, you're going to have to add something under it to give it a little lift. But the challenge was great, but I think I did it. Friends, what do you think? I hope I have your approval that I did pretty good with this. Also, just to remind you, this is a monthly collaboration, and you will always find my information on the community page. Friends, when the day of that these tier trays upload, if it's today, it is open for tomorrow or whenever you can. All you have to do is just comment on the tier tray video and let me know that you uploaded your video. So I'm leaving it open for 2 days. So if you want to come and jump in, you're welcome to do it. Do a spring, do an Easter, or do a spring and Easter. However you want to do it. I really thank you and appreciate it. I added my ribbon that I got from Walmart, and it's an Easter ribbon. And when I went into the Dollar Tree, I saw this beautiful bucket, and I said, oh my, this will match my ribbon. And friends, the flowers on top, those are flowers I bought from the Dollar Tree, a different color. So what I did, I used my craft paint and I painted them blue. So as you see, my theme of color here really is the blue, but I wanted to coordinate different colors because spring is different colors and pretty flowers. We know we serve a true and living God. Some people may say happy restoration, or some may say happy Easter. But which whenever you say, I hope you have a blessed time. Here's a closer look at the flowers I DIY, and I did a little gold glam with glitter in the middle. So I did add some glam to this, guys. So I hope you like this and tell me what you think. And my main theme color is that baby blue color. Even when I went and got my nails polished, I love the baby blue color. This small vase was a different color, but I bought it from a Goodwill, and I believe it was only $1. Those beautiful flowers look like butterflies, but I got them from the Dollar Tree on last year. I purchased those carrots that were garlands, and they were at the Dollar Tree also. Those pretty blue eggs, I got them from TJ Maxx. They came with a vase that was a rabbit vase with blue eggs in it. And yes, I DIY the eggs. I used my gold and silver glitter. And the large eggs came from the Dollar Tree. And those beautiful little rabbits that's in the grass, if you can see them, I got those from Target Dollar Spot. I'm going to be keeping this tier tray in my guest room on this table, and this is going to be the final spot for her. And I hope that you like it on today. And I want to thank everyone for participating in this with us. Don't forget to go back and watch the other creators. I hope y'all enjoyed this. It was fun. This was a challenge for me, but I hope that you guys like it. Love y'all. Have a happy, blessed Easter. Most of all, Resurrecting Sunday. May God bless you, and always know that God loves you. I'll see you on our next video. Love you from Penny. Bye-bye.